Hey everyone, in today's video, I am going to show you how you can copy files wirelessly from your iPhone or iPad to your PC. First, install the VLC player from the App Store. Search for VLC. Tap on VLC Media Player. Tap on Install. Now make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. Open the Files app. Copy your files to VLC folder. Select your files and move or copy to the VLC folder. We will copy this file to PC. Now open VLC player and go to the network and enable sharing via Wi-Fi. You will get the IP address and the local host address. Now open Google Chrome browser in your laptop and make sure your laptop is also connected to the same network. Now type the IP address from the VLC player in the Google search box. And these are the files in the VLC folder on your phone. You can click on any file to download it to your PC. As you can see, the file sharing speed is also good. It only took 10 seconds to download the 200 MB video. The fun part is you can also copy your videos or file to your iPhone or iPad from your PC. I am going to make a copy of this file so we can differentiate that we have copied this file from the PC to the phone. I will name it as from PC to iPhone. There are two ways you can do this. Either you can drag and drop the files from the File Explorer to the Chrome browser. You have to drop your files in this section and it will start to upload on your mobile device. You can see the uploaded file on the mobile screen. Another way of doing this is to click on this plus icon and select the files that you want to upload to your phone. I will rename this file as second file so that we know it is the different file. And the file will start uploading. And both files will be copied to our device.